Well, hey there, good afternoon. Welcome to Happy Eats. I'm Dave. Today I'm going to be making some macaroni salad, but not ordinary macaroni salad. I have here some deviled eggs I made up. I have some onions that I just ran through my food processor. That's one large Vidalia onion. I have here 6 eggs that I have already put some sweet relish in here, some Duke's mayonnaise, some mustard. Go ahead and put that right inside of here. That's going to be for my deviled eggs. Take these onions, put the whole bowl of onions right in here. Mix it through. Like that. Now here I have about a little more than 1/3 cup of white vinegar. Go ahead and put that in there. I like vinegar, so a little bit extra. I have here some organic celery seed. That. Got some of that Duke's mayonnaise. I love this stuff. Excuse me. All right. Keep on filling that in. While I'm doing this, folks, do me a favor. Check out the list below on my Amazon account. Like I said, make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment, and share this with your friends. Until next time, God bless and happy eats.